A printer is a hardware output device that is used to generate hard copy and print any document. A document can be of any type such as a text file, image, or the combination of both. It accepts input command by users on a computer or on other devices to print the documents. For example, if you have to submit a project report at your college, you need to create a soft copy of your report and print it with the help of the printer. Printers are one of the common computer peripheral devices that can be classified into two categories that are 2D and 3D printers. The 2D printers are used to print text and graphics on a paper, and 3D printers are used to create three-dimensional physical objects. Although there are different types of printers, nowadays, two types of printers are commonly used, which are inkjet and laser printers. Inkjet printers, laser printers, 3D printers, LED printers, solid ink printers, dot matrix printers, multifunction, or all-in-one printers, thermal printer, etc. It is widely used by home and business computer users that prints characters by spraying the ink using magnetic plates on the paper. It contains a paper feed assembly, ink cartridge, print head, stabilizer bar, and belt. It stores the ink in cartridges and uses separate cartridge to print several types of color documents. These colors are a combination of cyan, magenta, yellow, and black color. These types of printers have the ability to create high-quality pictures with the help of vivid colors. Furthermore, the inkjet printers are more affordable and easier to use as compared to other printers. The laser printer is one of the common personal computer printers. It was introduced in 1971, and after that it was developed at Xerox PARC by Gary Starkweather. It uses the laser or non-impact photocopier technology to print the text and images on the paper. Whenever it gets input to print any document, a laser beam draws the document on the selenium-coated drum with the help of electric charges. When the drum is charged, it is rolled in toner, dry ink powder. The ink follows the image, which has charged on the drum. The ink is combined with the paper, including heat and pressure, then transferred on a chunk piece of paper. When the document is printed, the excess toner is collected, and an electric charge is removed from the drum. Most of the laser printers are capable of printing only in monochrome. The monochrome laser printer is around 10 times cheaper than a color laser printer. One of the best enhancements in the history of printing technology is the 3D printer, which was developed by Chuck Hull in 1984. It produces 3D objects and items by using quality resin. It uses materials like plastics, polymers, metal alloys, or even food ingredients. Application of 3D printers. There are many applications where 3D printers are used, such as archaeology, aerospace engineering, information systems, dentistry, and biotechnology. For example, it might be used to reconstruct ancient artifacts of archaeology physically, which have been destroyed with time. How 3D printer works. Generally, the design of an object starts in a computer-aided design (CAD) software system where its prototype is created. Then, the computer-aided design system sends this prototype to the printer in STL stereolithography file format. The printer then starts the process of recreating the object layer by layer after reading the prototype in cross-sections. The LED printer is mostly like a laser printer. It uses the drum, ink, and fusor system to print the black or color documents. Initially, Casio and Function developed the LED printers by focusing light throughout the whole length of the drum. These types of printers are non-impact, but instead of using a laser in the printhead, they use a light-emitting diode. These printers were invented by the manufacturer OKI in 1989. There is a difference between laser printers and LED printers. The LED printers use a strip of LED to create an ink-attracting static charge on the printing drum, while laser printers use a laser and mirror. Although LED printers are not more popular as compared to inkjet and laser printer, they are gently gaining popularity as they provide users the unique benefits. LED printers have a photoreceptive drum like laser printer, which contains surface that is extremely charged with static electricity with the help of high-voltage wire. In a laser printer, to draw an image or text from a circuit board, laser uses the data, which is sent to it that needs to be printed into a mirror and moves on its axis for transferring the beam onto the drum. A laser-class solid ink printer is designed to save space and money on packaging. It uses a unique type of ink technology that is melted into a liquid before being used, as inkjet printers stream ink directly on the paper. But solid ink printers are different as they stream the ink on the drum. Firstly, transferring the ink to the drum and to the printer is a better way to get a good color combination, as a drum can be controlled appropriately than the moving paper. Xerox acquired the color printer division of Tektronix, Inc. in 2000. The solid ink printer was introduced in the market by Tektronix, Inc. with its crane-like cartridges. The dot matrix printers are also known as a pen printer that was released by IBM in 1957. Although, in 1970, Centronics created the first dot matrix impact printer. It strikes an ink ribbon using print heads that place thousands of little dots to form images and text. Nowadays, as compared to laser and inkjet printers, it is less used as its printing speed is slow and generates lower quality images. However, dot matrix printers are still in use in some sectors like package delivery companies and auto parts stores. Multifunction printer is a hardware device that can perform various tasks such as printing, scanning, faxing, and copying. It is also called the all-in-one printer. It is suitable for budget-minded businesses that want to reduce costs, consolidate assets, and improve workflow. Although it is necessary to connect the printer to a computer with the help of a wire or wireless connection, sometimes it can be controlled from their control panel-like standalone copiers. Furthermore, no need for more than one unit as it can easily complete multiple tasks within an office or home simultaneously. The thermal printer is invented by Jack Kilby that is also known as an electrothermal printer, thermal transfer printer, or thermal wax transfer printer. It utilizes heated pins in order to produce the image on paper. These types of printers are widely used in banking, airline, grocery, entertainment, retail, healthcare industries, fax, and calculator machines. These printers are low cost and print fast, and do not use ink like other printers. They primarily depend on the thermal paper to produce the images. This technology is useful for an organization as it is reliable as well as cost-effective. Employees can work continuously without getting interrupted because they do not need to change the cartridges or ribbons in this printer. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.